Hola guys, how are you? Good day to my subscribers over here on YouTube, out there at Facebook, and also on TikTok. Guys, in this vlog or episode, I'd like to discuss on what is happening with Beckett Grading Services or BGS or Beckett. Alright? Apparently, there is a problem brewing in the company wherein it could lead to either bankruptcy or it being sold or a status quo. We wouldn't know what will happen. I don't have a crystal ball, so I wouldn't know. But there is trouble brewing in the company that we grew up with. As collectors, we grew up with Beckett, the Beckett magazine, and its grading services. All right, so let's do that right now. Let's go. So here we go. Well, I've watched a lot of YouTube videos regarding the problem brewing inside Beckett's office, or I don't know what's happening with them, but there's trouble brewing inside the company. We all know the fact that PSA is the #1 grading company in terms of volume, in terms of sales, which is sad because Beckett had that title a few years back. Right, there was a time that a BGS 9.5 has a higher value than a PSA 10. Right, I can't tell you what year because I can't remember, but definitely during the mid 2000s that was the case. All right, so wala tayong magagawa doon. So a sample of its grading services, Beckett, may subgrades ang Beckett, ang PSA wala. All right, and they do have a magazine before that I always buy. All right, this is dated August 2003. So meron silang price guide, which is now is also kind of obsolete because a lot of people are into comps. Okay, and meron mga price guide companies right now that are online, just like CardHedge, just like CardLadder, just like Market Movers of Jeff Wilson. Actually, I saw the YouTube of Jeff Wilson, and I wanted to share it to you here over on Facebook and on my YouTube channel. Kasi ang nangyari daw is that Dr. James Beckett, who owned Beckett years back, sold Beckett to a company, and then that company resold that company, Beckett, to Global Growth, who is owned by Greg Lindberg. Alright? Ang CEO ni Greg Lindberg is Kevin Isaacson. Alright? Upon further research. Alright? So, ang nangyari is that the BGS billionaire owner took a $100 million loan secured with BGS assets, and basically took that money off the top from BGS after getting this loan, after purchasing two smaller companies that were designed to enhance BGS in its evaluation. So tutulungan sana ng mga companies na yon na pinoform niya for its evaluation. The problem is mukhang it faltered, no? Ang reason daw is that the CEO, Kevin Isaacson, has not been doing wonders for the company. So in a way, pwede silang magpa-bankrupt. Kasi ang nangyari daw, Greg Lindberg is being sued by, I think, investors of BGS and the other companies that he was with for insurance claims and stuff like that. And he pled guilty. So that means he can be jailed. In a way, I don't know the rules in the US, but I guess may problemang malaki ang BGS or ang Beckett Grading Services or Beckett for what that matter. So it can be sold, it can go bankrupt, just like what happened to GAI, just like what happened to Fleer Skybox, but I hope it gets sold to a company. Sabi nila Fanatics ang bibili, but marami ring problema ang Fanatics right now internally na that I've heard. Marami ring hindi rin naging okay sa kanilang ginagawa. Alright? So, I don't know what will happen to Beckett, but I'm hoping na wag mangyari yon because I want I don't want monopoly in the market. As we all know, PSA already bought SGC. And that is in a way a monopoly in a way for now. Right now, there's only 4 companies competing for the top position, which is PSA, SGC. Binili na nila yon, naging 3 na lang. So that would be PSA, CGC, and Beckett Grading Services. Marami nagsasabi na pangit yung grading services ng Beckett, but before, gustong-gusto to ng mga tao. The reason for some of those who don't like them is because makapal daw yung slab, but you know, a lot of people would tell you that it's protected. Mas protected siya than PSA. I'm not belittling Beckett or PSA. It's a matter of preference. Alright? Parehas lang hindi yan perfect. Maraming problema yung kumpanya. Ang problema, bumagsak ang Beckett, yung value na 9.5 sa Beckett bumagsak. Yung mga ano tawag mo rito, yung kanilang mint condition na cards, mababa ang valuation compared to PSA. BGS 10 and the Black Label are high, but bihira lang naman lumabas yun. And that's why people, I think, gravitated towards PSA because of that fact. And I think mas marketed na correctly ang PSA. Kaya siguro nagkaganito, it's because it's mismanaged or mishandled itong Beckett by both the owner, Greg Lindberg, and also his CEO, Kevin Isaacson. So I don't know what's really happening, but there would be a ripple effect na pwedeng mangyari sa hobby. Pwedeng bumaba ang values ng mga Beckett graded slabs for that matter, kasi yung notion ng tao na wala na tong kumpanya, hindi wala na, kung mawawala siya, kung if they will declare bankruptcy and no one's going to buy it. I hope somebody buys it, kasi if somebody does that, at least pwedeng i-manage ng tama ang Beckett and they could get their former glory, so to speak. Kasi importante, as I mentioned, na hindi monopolized ang hobby, even with with the emergence of fanatics monopolizing the whole thing and Panini monopolizing the whole hobby in a way. Pangit na nga yun ito pang grading susunod, diba? So it's not really that good, although PSA is really being managed well. Alright, it's being really managed well, and apparently we all know that Nat Turner owns it. And Nat Turner is considered to be one of the, if not the best collector in the whole world. In that sense, at least merong feel that there's a feeling of a collector that PSA is being managed by someone who's really into the hobby, who has the passion for it. So maybe that's one of the reasons why PSA has been number 1 for the past years or so. So there you go. So I hope you liked the video that I did, no? And let's pray for Beckett's success, kasi kailangan din ng hobby yun. But right now, it is what it is. There's a problem there, and the owner might be jailed, and they can declare for number 1, bankruptcy, and it can be sold, or again, number 3 would be status quo. We're hoping for a status quo and improvements. And also, kung may bibili, sana may magandang kumpanya who would envision the success of this grading company. So thank you very much, and God bless.